We are Digon. We're a group of young people who work in Ysgol Gyfun Gymraeg Plasmawr in Cardiff. We've been working for 10 years now, and we're very excited to be a partner organisation for the Welsh Youth Parliament. Our focus is ensuring LGBTQ rights are ingrained and enacted on in schools, from curriculum to anti-bullying policy. We challenge homophobia, biphobia and transphobia in all aspects of school life. We celebrate all identities and everyone's right to live a life free from prejudice. We work in many different ways. We raise awareness through assemblies and inclusive RSE lessons, by supporting people who are coming out or who are worried by any aspect of school life, and simply by offering a safe space for pupils to discuss matters that are important to them. We also raise money for LGBT charities. We organise fun events like a bake-off during the year. We use art as an activism tool to start conversations. And we've been lucky enough to open the Ieuenctid when it was in Cardiff, with a very special service of reflection. We've met some very interesting people along the way. The importance of the work we do is ensuring that no one feels alone, that no one feels they're not supported in school, that everyone is able to live authentically, ensuring that we all respect each other's individuality and make space for everyone in schools in Wales.